What are complex number puzzles? Have you ever wondered how numbers can be more than just what we see on paper? Let's talk about complex number puzzles and how they relate to problem solving, especially in chess. Complex number puzzles are mathematical challenges that involve numbers expressed in the form of a plus by, where a and b are real numbers, and I is the imaginary unit that satisfies I squared equals -1. These puzzles often requiring you to manipulate these numbers to solve equations or prove certain properties. Now you might be asking, how does this connect to chess? Well, both complex number puzzles and chess puzzles requiring strategic thinking and analytical skills. In chess, players break down positions into smaller parts, anticipate their opponent's moves, and plan their strategies. Similarly, when tackling complex number puzzles, you need to understand algebraic properties and apply them to find solutions. Let's look at some practical applications. While complex number puzzles are rooted in mathematics, the problem-solving skills they demand can be applied to chess. Chess players analyze positions, anticipate moves, and devise strategies, much like how one approaches complex number puzzles. Both activities sharpen critical thinking and help you tackle problems in a methodical way. Here are some strategies to consider when solving these puzzles. First, identify key elements. In chess, this means recognizing pieces that can lead to checkmate. For complex number puzzles, it involves spotting the real and imaginary parts of the numbers and how they interact in equations. Next, plan ahead. Chess players think several moves into the future. When solving complex number puzzles, you need to anticipate how different operations will affect the outcome of an equation. Lastly, analyze alternatives. In chess, players weigh various moves and their potential consequences. In complex number puzzles, you should consider different algebraic manipulations and how they might help you solve the problem. In summary, while complex number puzzles are distinct from chess, they share a foundation in strategic problem solving. The skills you develop from tackling complex number puzzles can help you approach chess puzzles with a sharper analytical mindset. So, whether you are solving a tricky equation or planning your next chess move, remember that both requiring a thoughtful approach and a keen eye for detail.